Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by forcing a clean environment, restart Windows and Chrome, then open Chrome settings about to install updates. Once done, make sure Windows Update is current and temporarily pause third-party antivirus or firewall for testing. You'll free resources and remove obvious blockers quickly. Next, run Task Manager to end Chrome. EXE processes and reboot again. This first sweep eliminates transient issues and ensures you're working with the latest patches before deeper troubleshooting. You now isolate the crash source. Start Chrome in incognito or create a new profile to rule out corrupted user data. Once isolated, disable all extensions and re-enable them one at a time to spot the offender. Then go to Settings System and toggle off hardware acceleration. Many crashes stem from GPU interactions. Finally, update your graphics drivers through Device Manager or the vendor's installer, because outdated drivers often cause repeated rendering crashes. You're at the finish line. Reset Chrome to defaults, clear cache and site data, then fully uninstall and reinstall the latest stable Chrome build to replace corrupted binaries. Make sure to remove leftover user data if corruption persists. Once reinstalled, test Chrome immediately. If crashes continue, perform a Windows clean boot or create a fresh Windows user and test there to isolate system-level conflicts. One key tip: use Event Viewer to capture crash logs for targeted diagnosis if problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.